So I was wanting to do this video yesterday, and I'm assuming I'm not doing anything else. I keep making a 3-hour long video, and then I don't know if and then like at the very end I finally answer what I actually wanted to make the video about. But and then so anyways, I wanted to make this video yesterday, and I don't know, I felt not to, and I'm like, and I was like, okay, maybe not now. I don't know why. Or if, I don't know. I don't know. Because it happened yesterday. And so I don't know. So we'll see. So, last night, I was pondering things, and on my couch, and I was just like, I was trying to remember something, and I was blank. I'm like, something this, and I'm like, what is that word? And I could not remember the word, and I'm like, and then I forget, and I was trying to remember, I was like, something this, and it was, and nothing, and then all of a sudden I forget why, but I just like, I'm like, oh well, I forget if it matters, I feel like it matters why, I don't know, I was like, and I was like, and I don't know, I go to put my hand on my dog's chest, and immediately the word of that verse I was trying to remember came to my mind. And I'm like, what the heck? And I'm like, and I look her and I'm like, and I get this feeling, I forget if it was like God to me or like, I don't even know if this was God, to be honest, but confide in this. So I put my hand and and I'm like, I'm looking at her, and she's like, and I don't know, but I feel like God's like, she has the Holy Spirit. And I'm like, I wanted that. I'm like, is this actually real and happening? And then I'm like, kind of in my mind, I don't even know if the words even come to my mind, but I'm like, just all of a sudden get this thing, I'm like, heaven? I'm like, she is? Like, I had my ideas about that. Anyways, and I'm like, and I'm just like, so I don't even ask. I'm like, I'm pretty sure she is in heaven, but so I don't even ask. I don't know, but I'm just like, get this notion. I'm like, what, heaven? And then it's like, and then I get at this point now, this is delusional. I don't know, because sometimes I'm like, my God, my dog's speaking to me, or I was about to say, anyways, my dog's speaking to me here. Sometimes, and never mind, I was about to say God, never mind. So this is delusional, but I'm like, okay, now my dog's actually speaking to me, and she's like, I'm like, I get this notion, I'm like, so my dog is in heaven. I know my ideas of why I would say she's in heaven. Actually, I'm not sure. Anyways. But anyways, I had my idea at the time, so I was like, anyways, so I didn't ask, but I did ask, or I had this notion, or something inside of me was wanted to ask God about, so she is going to be in heaven, and anyways. And then I'm looking, and then all of a sudden, she's her in, straight to me, looking in her eye, I don't know, and I'm like, she's like, yes. I don't think she said yes, but I don't know, that was the notion. But this is what she, anyway. She's like, I'm family. I'm family. I'm family. I don't know, I'm trying to get the perfect like context, whatever. She's like, I'm family. And I'm like, I'm about to just start bawling right now. And then now I'm got an ask, and I'm like, okay, so you have the Holy Spirit. That's why we're going to be in heaven. Because I guess but if doG chose us, who chose? Never mind. Who did choose the doG? Never mind. But anyways, sorry. So I'm like, okay, so you have the Holy Spirit. You're going to be in heaven because of, I don't know, you're my doG, something about this. And I'm like, but what about the other dogs? I'm like, and I just get such, I don't know, I forget what I get. Like, it's such like a sense that was like, they are actually in hell, Daniel. I think that was actually it. He was like, they are actually in hell, Daniel. And I was like, that's not good. But then I'm like, wait. I almost want to say that's doggy heaven. If God allows like their dogs to actually be with them, I don't know. And I'm like, we have 570 dogs literally 5 minutes away. If you're an atheist, go to your mom right now, adopt a dog, and be like, Daniel told me that I'm gonna be in hell, ha ha. No, don't do that. Don't do that. No, but really, and I'm like, I just get this sense that's like, or I don't know, but that's like, this might not be, but it could be, I don't know. And like, anyways, I think you all get what I said. Like, never mind. It's like we have all, like, why do we have, like, there's all these dogs, like, never mind. Like, my electric went out and the game's about to start. Did you send someone? Wow. That was really fast, Joe. At Parker & Sons, you can always expect service in minutes, not days. And there is never a charge for something you don't need. I'm all up. Thanks, Joe. Now you just help us steer on our team. I got this. Call Parker & Sons today. We're not your average Joe. I don't know. Like, there's I was like, what's the doggy? What's like? Doggy? I don't know.
there's so. Never mind.